Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to share or send apps from phone to WhatsApp. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember, click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you locate the actual app that you would like to share to somebody on WhatsApp from your phone. And let's, for instance, I want to share this particular app right here. So what you need to do is to simply click and hold down. This is going to pump up. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on share right here. Then you have variety options right here. Okay. Next thing you can do here is to choose the account you want to send the app to. So I'm going to simply click on the WhatsApp. Then select the contacts. So I'm sending the app to this particular contact and I'll click on send. So it's taking me right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to send it. So app gone. You can see. So you can see app gone right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to share or set app from your phone to WhatsApp account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.